So this is the corner of the chapel that the altar was at. It seemed like the best place to start because I hadn't put anything in there, mainly because the floor felt quite spongy. The reason for this was revealed when I pulled the carpet up, as we'll see in a moment. That was the carpet out of the way, and then the underlay, and lo and behold, oh dear, lots of rotten wood. This surprised me a little bit because many parts of the chapel were quite solid, but clearly the damp had got to this. As you can see, it's just like tissue paper. So I pulled a lot of this up. Most of this video is me staring at holes, wondering how I'm going to get the wood out. So one of the first things I did was to pull the carpet gripper off, because they are lethal if you've ever trodden or knelt on one of those. Been a bit ginger here with the old wrecking bar. Just trying to see. You can see there that there's two levels, the floor underneath and the altar level slightly higher up. It took a lot of getting out, this part, and I'm glad it's done, because there were sort of two floors to remove, which wasn't great, to be honest. I think I'm just staring at how the floor's put in, wondering, really trying to work out how to do it. Once I'd cleared this out, it became quite obvious how the floor's put in, and it shouldn't take me half as long to do the rest of it as we go through. You can see there, look at the state of that beam. It's just rotten. You can see me pulling chunks off it. So that was not good. But it doesn't really matter because all this wood was coming out. It's been in there since 1960, we think. That's when it was last restored. So it's managed 60 years before it's given up the ghost, and I suspect a lot of that was because the chapel spent a few years being empty and had no heating in it. And I doubt this wood was treated in any way. So hopefully, when all this is done, it'll last longer, certainly longer than I'm going to need it for. Yeah, these were remarkably, consider they were rotten, they were remarkably well held down. But anyway, keep watching.